Yeah, this system is for the sanding surface and the edge trimming system, and the polish the machine. Automatic loading board on the conveyor, and then by the sanding machine. This is the sanding machine. Sanding machine. If for some products the customer don't need to polish the surface, and then we'll unload the board here. If the customer needs to polish the products, then we'll go to the polish the system and the edge trimming system. Yeah, this is the finished product piece. 2 stacker for different quality. The good quality for some secondary products will take out by 1 piece also.